Hello students, today we will learn about the carrying capacity of different utensils. Let's start. Students, I have different types of utensils here and the carrying capacity of these utensils is also different. Of these utensils, the jug has the highest carrying capacity and this bowl has the lowest carrying capacity. Students, the water we put in utensil gets the same shape as the utensil. As the water in this bowl is round in shape and appears in the glass as longer in size. So students, in this way also have different capacity to hold different size utensils. Students, I have a glass full of water. Now, I fill the bottle with this glass of water. Students, look at this. When I put this glass of water in a bottle, it fills up. Now, I put another glass of water in it. Now, I put another glass of water in it. This bottle is filled with water. This means that the holding capacity of this bottle is equal to 3 glasses of water. Now, students, we fill the second bottle with water. Then look, I put this first glass of water in it. In the same way, I put the second and third glass in this bottle. So, this bottle is filled with water. Thus, the holding capacity of 2 bottles is equal to 6 glasses of water. Similarly, the carrying capacity of 4 bottles is equal to 12 glasses of water. Students, I have 2 kinds of glasses here. Let's fill this jug with water using 2 different glasses alternately. Now, we use this glass to fill the jug with water. And we put 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, 4 glass, 5 glass and 6 glasses of water in it. This jug is filled with water. Now I use this glass to fill the jug with water and I put 1, 2, 3, 4 glasses of water in it. This jug is filled with water. Students, we fill this glass with water 6 times. Then this jug fill with water and we fill this glass with water 4 times. Then it fills with water. Why does this happen? Yes, because this glass is large in size. Students, now we know about this utensil. This utensil is usually used by dairy and it has the capacity of 1 liter. Milkmen use it to keep their measurement the same because different containers have different carrying capacity. Students, it is time for your homework. In your homework, solve the blanks on page number 172. Thank you.